Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and guess what? I am in the mood to make a hairpiece. Now, y'all know I'm extra, and I really don't know where I'm going with this. I have a little idea, but let's just see what we end up with, okay? All right, the other day I was in the beauty supply store. Yes. And I was looking for Oprah Curl, model Oprah Curl, but they didn't have that. What they had was this premium purple pack twist jade swirl long. Okay. And this is what, it looked like on the pack and everything. 3 pieces are in here. And when you open it up, it looks like this. Okay. It's pretty. So let's take this off. So yeah, y'all know whatever piece I make, it is going to be used for more than one purpose. We don't want to have a whole bunch of hair pieces sitting around. I also picked up something else. Now you have to uncurl it. It looks like this. Okay, y'all, that's a pretty curl. That is a pretty curl. Look at that. Can y'all see that? That's a pretty curl. So this is the way the hair looks. I want to make this as easy as possible for everybody. So I want to get this. Y'all see that? This is just a deluxe weaving cap. Invisible adjustable band. That's all this is. So this is what the cap looked like. Okay, this is what the cap looked like. See that? Right. So what we're going to do is put this on here. So it already have the dimensions of, the middle and things of that nature. You see that? I love for my hair to come down like that. And this is how it looks in the top. So when you get the cap, only thing you got to do is measure out. First, know what style you're going to do. Then measure out your measurements on your head. So if I was to put on something like this or make something like this, of course, I will put it on. And this is where, and it seemed like the lines fall right where I need them to be. Right there. But if not, mark it off on the cap. So, I have the hairpiece on, right? Look at that. I have it on. And if that's the case, I want mine to come wider because more of my hair over here is growing out. So I want to just have it like this. So I'm going to mark it off. So I'm just going to get something light so I'll be able to see it. And then I am going to mark off the cap. Okay? This is just a Pro Concealer. LA Girl Pro Concealer. So you just go mark it. Okay? And I have marked it. So the cap is marked. I'm going to put it back on the mannequin head. Just make sure you can see how it's marked. It's marked here and here. I can see it. So what I am going to do is fill in all of this space with the hair. I'm just going to fill it in. And I guess we'll start from the back. We're going to start from the back. So I am going to pin this down. Make sure it's secure. We're going to pin it down. And then we're just going to start sewing. So I am going to sew the hair, but what I'm not going to do is cut it. When I get to the end of the track, I'm just going to bend it back the other way because then that'll keep it from shedding as much. So I'm right here. So I am going to go all the way across and then I'm going to bend the hair backwards.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you.
Alright guys, I really did enjoy making this video and making this hairpiece. By now, I hope you have hit that comment, like, subscribe, and share button. Now, I want you to pay attention to the spaces that I am putting in between the tracks. As I get closer to the top, the spaces will become smaller. Also, I am not cutting the hair because I do not want the hair to shed. So I am just bending the hair backwards upon itself as I get to the next row.
When a day's gone, we've only begun. That's the best part. When we get it on, I'm addicted, no denying it. Cause you don't cross my mind, you live in it. I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in.
Y'all, I am still here sewing and putting it together. The hair is looking good. You know, if you can't find a piece in a store that's going to fit you and your personality, just make it. It is nothing to making pieces. You can customize it for yourself and all type of stuff.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite bit. I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. Breathe the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need. When a day's gone, we've only begun. That's the best part. When we get it on, I'm addicted on.
As you move closer to the top, you want to make the spaces between your tracks a little bit closer so that the net won't show.
Raising an earthquake, can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in.
And the tracks are touching, but they're not on top of one another, okay? So we got like 2 more tracks to go here, and then I'm going to show you something. Now with that little space that I had up here in the front, I brought those tracks forward. I only got this corner to sew down, and then we'll be done. This hairpiece can do a lot of different things, y'all. It can. Y'all know I ain't finna make no hairpiece that's just gonna do no one thing. And made it like this for a couple of reasons. Like I said, because I can do a lot of different things with it. And plus my hair is growing, so I have to cover more of my hair. Or just cut it off into my favorite cut. So yeah, I do like the curl. Let's see how long and how good this hair is. The hair was $10.99. I can tell y'all that right now. All right, the hair piece is done, and the reason why I put the last 2 tracks forward and 1 underneath, so it will cover and you will not see the edge of the hair for however we style it. Okay? I'm gonna tell you, the hair is real pretty. Can you see that? This hair is real pretty. Real pretty. It feels nice. I just hope it acts right. We sewed all the tracks going backwards except for the last 2. This is how much we spaced it in between. Okay? We had just a little bit of the last track left. As you get closer to the top, you're just going to make them closer because you're in the top and you don't want this cap to show. Okay? And when you get to the very top, the tracks are going to touch one another. So let's see how this is going to turn out. I got a lot of stuff I want to do with this hair, but it is so pretty. Okay. Oh, look at that. at that, y'all. Okay, let's get this hair on. What I am going to do to put this on, because I didn't sew any combs in, I'll do that later. I'm going to use some pins to pin it in. I sure am. It's just giving me a reference point. See, y'all know that this is the way I wear my hair anyway. I don't wear my sides. Only thing I'm doing is taking a pin and going around the perimeter. Like I showed y'all with that softy ponytail. Okay? So what I'm gonna do is tuck them sides of the cap. I'm not gonna cut that material off. Not now. We just gonna tuck them. See how they tuck? I got some events coming up. I'm trying to see how I want to look for the events. So this is the side of the cap that I'm not gonna cut. I'm gonna leave that on there. You can leave that on there for a couple of reasons. Let's say you do this hair piece and then you want to add some hair later. You can always let that out from under that tuck and rock your hairpiece. I'm gonna give y'all a turn so y'all can see how it's looking. Ain't that so pretty? That is so pretty. And the way the curls are just falling. Y'all, we could wear this any type of way. But I got a plan for it. You know, I got a plan for it. This is for my girls with long hair, my girls with short hair, my girls with alopecia, you know, thin hair, especially that, because you don't have to put any pressure or anything on your hair if your hair is thin. Plus, y'all know we do our hair routines at night. So can you imagine? You just take this sucker off. Take it off. Do your hair routine. Don't have to sleep in this. And of course, I have other things that I want to show y'all concerning this hair piece. Now I'm just doing this with it right now. And I got something I got to do real quick, but I'm gonna do a series on it. Y'all just tell me if y'all want me to do a series on it, okay? I'm gonna do it anyway. I sure will, because it can do so much. I told y'all when I was making it that it can do so much. And this thing, this hair only costs $10.99, and the cap, it only cost $2.99. So I'm not gonna get serious and jamming and pinning it down. So I gotta run out here and do something real quick. But I do want to show y'all just where we are here. Okay, this is where we are. Quick. I don't know how it's looking, so here's where we are. I have something to do real quick, you know. But y'all see the potential in this, right? Y'all see the potential in this baby. Woo, don't play. Don't play. Wait till y'all see what I'm going to do to it, though. Wait till y'all see what I'm going to do to it. But the potential of this is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And let me show you. Let me show you. We still got really a whole row left because we only put 2 pieces of this row up here. Y'all, you know what? I'm going to have to do a series for you all. I'm going to have to do a series for you. Look at that. Even if I put this sucker in a ponytail, baby, I like it. This is a 10 out of 10. And we did this quick. I almost went live for y'all doing this. I was eating fruit with my husband, playing with my husband and everything, y'all. So that's why, I didn't. But look at that.
Oh my God.
Do y'all heard what I've been trying to told you? Look at that. This is in a ponytail and it looks so soft and pretty. If we have this sucker down and to the side, that looks pretty. But I'm going to do a whole bunch of other stuff with this. All right, this is the other way that you can wear this hairpiece. I have just pulled it back in a ponytail and it looks absolutely beautiful. But this hairpiece can do other things too, guys. Even if we just have it and it's just on. And it's just on. Look at this. Look at this. Come on. We can make a few of these. We can put color in this. We can work out in this. It feels so light, but this is so pretty. And I don't have any of my hair mixed in with this. Any of it. Y'all got to give it up. Y'all have to give it up. Well, I love it. I am loving this. All right, guys, give it up for your girl. Give it up for your girl. I am going to show you just where this hair piece can go. We're going to do a series on this. Yes, we are. Well, look, if this video has helped you all in any way, y'all know what to do. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share because it helps your girl channel grow. Also, I have another channel. It is called Regina's Way. Over there, we do everything else that I love to do. So go over there and show me some love too. Thumbs up, subscribe, and share. That helped that channel grow as well. Well, if there is anything that I did not address in this video that you want to know, leave it in the comment section down below. Y'all already know I am going to answer you back. I do read you all's comments and I do respond back. Yes, I do. So until next time, you all stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. Let's grow our hair. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.